Here's a tip for you, how to use Chat to learn something, to understand what it is. Now, keep in mind, I am using custom instructions. So what you see here could be because I've maybe tuned my AI a bit more than yours. I have another article on that. You can dive in. For right now, you want to learn something new. You don't have any idea what the topic is. Just ask ChatGPT to help you understand. And then just describe however you would describe it. In this case, large landowner needs to understand about selling carbon credits in a 100-year agreement situation. How do I even think about the risks involved in this? And so look at this, it breaks it down. What selling carbon credits, where, the location of the land, so what land is in there, why, and then look at this, it breaks down the risks. These could change. And it broke these down into categories, put it into a table. And now I can keep going into them. And so I said, well, what are the specific risks? These are kind of general, not super helpful. What if this farm is in Louisiana? Does that change anything? Well, let's look down in here. Now it gets a little more specific to Louisiana. So now you can keep pushing down and to get the type of information that you're looking for here. And then the other thing, you can tell it to build me out a plan to understand each of these. So I could pull these out and tell it to explain more about these two things and then the next two things. And you can build out really a learning library that way pretty fast.